Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to track your order on Domino's Pizza. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Domino's Pizza. Now guys, when we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see here, we have the official application, where as you can see, we have the delivery address and order now button in the middle. In the top left corner, we have order now, pizza tracker, profile, legal notice, data privacy, TNCs, and Domino's more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and track your order on Domino's Pizza. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it in no time. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to the top left corner and click on the three dots. Then the second thing that you have here underneath the order now is pizza tracker, and you need to go and click on that. Here guys, this screen pops where you can see the pizza tracker. So basically no active order at the moment, but be sure guys, when you have an order, it will be here and you can track it with either if it's in the oven or it's being delivered to you at the moment. From here, you can also go and order, as you can see, a pizza. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow the channel. So if you could go and take a few seconds to do this, it will mean the world to us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. And guys, as always, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.